Here's the clean and easy way to mirror the bones in your armature from one side to the other. In edit mode, with X-axis mirror turned off, I'm going to delete the right half of the armature since we'll be duplicating it back into existence anyway. Then press Shift-C to reset the 3D cursor to the center and change the pivot point type to 3D cursor. Next, select the character's left bones. Make sure not to select any of the middle bones. Press Shift-D to duplicate, then SX-1, or you can press Ctrl+M, then X to mirror across the X-axis. With the new bone still selected, press W and choose Flip Names. This will automatically add the .R extension to the new bones that we mirrored on our character's right side. The roll bone will be kind of messed up in some places, so we'll fix that too. Turn X-axis mirroring on. Press Ctrl-I to invert the current selection, or just select the original correct half of your armature. Press Ctrl-R to edit the bone roll of the selected bones and then 0. Did you see that? That fixed the bone roll on the mirrored side of your armature. Don't forget to change your pivot point type to something other than 3D cursor once you're done. I'm going to choose Active Element. Now let's go back into pose mode and test the rig. If everything goes well, then our setup will be mirrored to the right side. Check your bone parenting and bone constraints to confirm that everything is working.